Hey guys, it was quite a long time since my last video. I'm kind of involved in a pretty huge project, and so it takes my whole time so far. And but I want to make a break and make a video about my new vise, which I bought from China. I'm gonna put all the details in the description. That vise was around $250 US, I think, plus $140 US shipping, and that's the modular milling vise, which I'm gonna be using on my next project. But I thought I'm gonna buy it sooner. So it comes in a wooden box. It's and it has those metal straps and plenty of screws, but they undo it before I start recording. So it's pretty well packaged. To be honest, I don't really understand why would you pack vise so well if there is nothing to break, really, I think, but it's good. So that's the back. What's inside? What's inside? Okay, card box. Okay. Okay. So I can. No, I can't. Alright, so it was in the cardboard box, not taped. Right. Okay, so it's 125 by 150. Ah, okay. So it's 125 wide and 150 opening. And let's see it. And it weighs apparently 18 kilograms. Wow. Okay, it's pretty big. It comes with the wrench, manual. Okay, so that's an inspection list. 5 microns precision, I believe. It's pretty good. Okay, it's even signed. Oh, well, fuck it. Can't read it really. It's I was trying to read this. Who knows what it is? Okay, those are the clamps which go to the table. Jesus, that's quite chunky. I guess I will have to make my own clamps. Those are T-slot nuts. That's the size of it. I'm gonna get the measuring tape. So that's 3 centimeter long and by 222 thick and a tall 16. Massive. Okay, so I'm gonna take those things out. Something here. And I would say it's very well lubricated. I think it's just massive. Very well lubricated. The bottom, bottom looks like this, because before I bought it I couldn't find anyone who'd made like unboxing or review of the vise like this, so I decided that I'll be the first one. Who knows? Okay, let's measure it, because while I was looking for it, I wanted to know the measurements of it, because on the pictures it looks kind of small. You can't really tell what's what. And the height of it, it's 344 millimeters. The width, 95 millimeters. And the thickness of that part, it's 40 millimeters. And the overall height, it's 78 millimeters, more or less. I'm just gonna be more precise when I flick it. Yeah, 78 millimeters. And the width of this should be 12 and a half. That's 12, and that's 12, and no, that 126, more or less. And that vise is supposed to have a 3 ton of clamping power. Just wipe it slightly. It's pretty freaking cool. So you undo that thing on both sides. I guess I can slide it back. How much back can I slide? And it falls off. That's a big ball. So now I understand how it works. So you have those 2 screws on the both sides, and then it's the ball, which I guess those 2 screws are pushing in. And I'm gonna get the camera close. Okay. And those balls goes in here. So you slide it in, and that goes in. So no. Okay, so that thing goes in here and locks up. Yeah, in that groove in here. 158 millimeters opening. That part is not terribly nicely done. It's a bit edgy. So when you open it, it's not that pretty. So I would think that would be square or like on a nice angle or something, but no, it's like it looks a bit bodged. The machining inside, it's not that pretty, it's very rough. So I guess that part is not like a critical one. I was trying to install the vise in the machine, and I ran in dial indicator on that edge to make it straight, and I did make it straight. And then I thought I'm gonna see, you know, how much if my machine is straight with this, and then the indicator starts going nuts. And then I got the vise and I thought, oh, I'm gonna check, because I know that vise is square, if this whole thing is square. And as you can see, it's not. There is a gap. Eyeballing looks like a 0.5 millimeter. And yeah, and I'm kind of wondering if I can adjust it. So I undo those big bolts from here. That was a mission. I had to take the vise out and use some serious force. And the downside, there is grinding dirt, shavings. See, and there was quite a lot of it. It's when I was undoing those screws, it was a bit crunchy. So I think I will have to clean it. Then when you take it out, it's more grinding dust. And yeah, and we have it here. And now I'm just wondering if it has been milled square or grind or whatever. And I'm gonna use my precision vise. Block. Yeah, so with the one hand it's a bit tricky. I'm gonna put it on the side and see. So it looks even. So let me clean it. Okay, so I cleaned it both sides, and yeah, I think it could be done with slightly better care. I know those things are not important, like the finish of them, that's not important, but I don't know. Yeah, could be better. The whole vise, it's grounded to 2 microns precision. I measured, all the sides and so on, and it's pretty impressive, but it's not bloody square. Yeah, and I show you the result. It's tiny bit better, like there is like less dirt. So that thing has a bit of a play, but unfortunately not the way I was kind of expecting. Okay, flat to the side. And I still have okay, you can see it pretty good here. I still have a gap in here. I was thinking I could grind one of them, because it's not that much, and I don't know, maybe I'm gonna throw it on my CNC. Is it? Oh, it's touching. A bit quicker, and here. Oh, it's more touching. And let's see if it touched it. How does it look? Oh, come on, focus. Wow, it actually did. Take it out from the vise. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. Oh, nice. Very shiny. Very shiny. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. So I put it in with a shiny, just focus, with the shiny side to that side. Wiggle, wiggle, and let's see. So I'm gonna use my gauge parallels and okie dokie. So that's it. It looks like it's working. Let's see. Wow, that's too much. Okay. Is it squared? Yep, touches everywhere. So I just have to fix it in this position. Awesome. It worked. Okay, that took a bit of a wiggling. So I'm gonna move that so it's with the edge. And let's see. Boom. Perfect. Yep, now it's good.
What do I think about that vise? It's really hard to say what I'm thinking, because on one hand you have this, you know, everything is 2-micron precision and so on, and on the other hand it's all gunky and skewed and stuff like that, and you have to fix it. So it's like, how you balance it, eh? So out of 100, I guess I would give it 50. It works, and in the future, if I need more vices, I definitely gonna buy more of those. Would I recommend it? Not necessarily. For DIY stuff, sure. If you want to, you know, if you're willing to fiddle with it, sure, go and buy it. Price, it's really good. And yeah, price-wise, you know, like vices for like $2,000 and over versus $200, it's like, yeah, you can get 10 of those in the price of one good one. And the difference in milling, it's not that big. So yeah, I will leave it here and to you to decide what do you think about it, and see you next time in the next video. It's gonna be awesome.